Hi guys, today I'm playing Mumu and I've already got 4 kills as you see. So yeah, I got daggers and they're actually pretty good. I usually don't get daggers, but in this server I'm getting daggers and I just got 4 kills. So yeah. I'm just gonna go looking and killing people. Try killing people. And I'm also gonna teleport. I'm gonna go to the arena. See if people are there. Teleport myself. Boom. Oh frick, come on, why? Hey. Oh, there's a dude. Okay. I'm gonna kill him. Boom, got him. Okay. Let's kill this bull. Okay, let's join back. Okay, let's see if we got these. Okay. What's up, boy? What's up, green zombie? What's up? Huh? A lot of people have daggers in the server. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to get this dude, green zombie. I've killed him like once, but he's always like escaping stuff. Hi Wolf, what's up? I'm too fast for you, bro. Trying to escape me? You trying to use the wolf for escape, bro? Ooh. Okay. This dude's healing up. Okay, I'm gonna heal up. He escaped. Oh, I see him. He's right there. I'm just gonna be peaceful. I don't know. He's not gonna leave him peaceful. Where is he? I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna go to the arena and hope that there's some people there so I can kill, like... Yeah. What's up, bull? Hi, guys. Hi. No, frick. Oh, okay. No. No. Oh, hey, bro. Hey, bro. Oh, I died. Come on. I died. Okay, so, yeah, I just died. There's this dude. Oh, is this mine? I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna go in it. Come on. No, I spawned. Okay, I spawned near a wolf. Good. Come on, Wolfie. Come here. Guys, should I join the Ruby? Okay, they're actually pretty good. I'm gonna get daggers again. I say peace. Peace, bro. Oh, frick. This dude has a... Okay. Why? He will release what? No. I can't, bro. I can't die. I gotta kill this dude. Oh, no, run. What? How did I die? I see. You have joined. Oh, there's a bully. Let that kill him. He's gonna die. Oh, actually no. Hi. I see you have joined BBG. I see you have joined the BBG. I gotta get to AIDS 2, okay? Guys, I found a person. I don't know. I'm pretty sure. Okay, they're age 1. We got him. He got the kill. Okay, so I'm gonna get daggers. I'm gonna try to kill this dude. I just gotta get near him and then boom. I gotta get him to stay put. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you should definitely put that there, right there. Okay, I gotta kill this dude. Bush our noob. Yes, sir. I'm gonna die. I just gotta run, bro. Okay, this dude has. Okay, this dude has food. BBG. I'm gonna try to join. Peace. Okay, I'm in BBG. Ha. I don't know. The leader's kind of dumb. No kidding. Oh, did this dude just die or did he get into assassin gear? Is this kid just kind of trying to leave? Right, like, I knew it. This dude's scared. It's a wolf. Okay. Okay, there's the green zombie dude. That's just, I gotta kill him. Who did I kill? I don't remember. It's fine though. Ah, bull, get out. Oh, frick, MVP. Run. Okay. Oh, there's a bull. Okay, should I kill Flippy? Yeah, Flippy looks easy to kill, because it's Flippy. I mean, he has the sword. Oh, Silease. I'm gonna kill Silease. Does this dude trying to spell silence? Actually, though. Okay, got him. Are these the Ruby, MVP John Cena? What's up, bro? What's up? Trying to get me? Yeah, he saw that I killed him and he's like, yeah. I got 3 kills, bro. What's up, yeah, yeet? Huh? You scared, bro? Oh, okay, I'm scared of Mustafa. Oh, no. Hey, bro, peace. What's up, wolf? I don't care, I don't like. This guy's slow, because, like, he is. Oh, I need some stone. I just need 2 more stone. Peace. These dudes are chasing me. MVP. I gotta change my name, bro. Watch out. That's why good thing. I bet you if I got a sword, I would have died by now. So many people have daggers. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's not bad. It's not a bad thing, but like, it's not good necessarily. Okay, I feel. What? Did this dude not take damage? I swear I hit him. Oh, I remember you. I killed you before. I'm gonna kill Chico. I killed him already before. Dude, you already have full health, bro. Why would you want to heal up? Why would Flippy? What's up, bro? Flippy? Huh? Okay, no, he's good. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Run. Ah, I died. No. Okay, so yeah, I just died. Oh, okay, I'm gonna join MVP. Oh, I gotta find someone who's near me right now. It's probably gonna be the green zombie dude. Okay, yeah. Hi. Oh, he's scared of me. Oh my gosh, bro. This dude actually. Oh my gosh. Like, he's scared of me. My road is. What do you mean? Show me. Okay, come and see. Oh, I see some. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Wait, I want to see if it has spikes at the end. Oh, cute girl. Okay, I'm gonna kill. Oh, frick! No, no, no! I don't want to destroy it. No, no, no. Okay, he is. We gotta get some food. Okay. 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 I'm just gonna get a bunch of food. Okay. Thing is, she has a stick, which isn't good, but okay, I'm not gonna go in. Oh, frick. Help me, help me, help me, help me, bro. Come on. You gotta help me. You gotta help me, you gotta help me, come on. No! Oh my gosh. Okay, sub to what is this? I'm gonna spawn kill even though I just spawned. Too. Oh, hi. I'm gonna be nice, hi. I'm gonna say, is he gonna join? Hi. The frick? I can't. Okay, never mind. I can move. BBG unknown. Okay, I'm gonna kill this unknown. I think. Hi. What is this? Is he like? Oh, this dude's kind of suspicious, bro. He's gonna be like, oh, I'm just doing some normal stuff. Sorry. I'm just being normal, guys. Like everyone does this. No, this dude is. Oh no! Wait, I have 0. Oh no, I have like I had. If I never died, I would have had way more, but nah. If I die, I'm gonna just it's gonna end, bro. I'm like, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna join back. Is this dude? Bro. I'm gonna say hi, I'm a noob. Peace. I was just trying to tell. I'm gonna say I was just. Oh no, I'm gonna say check out. I'm gonna say check out Yoso 60. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Okay. Check out Yosup64 Gaming on YouTube. Frick, is this guy actually? Where'd he go? Oh, hey. I'm gonna join. Hey, what? Bro. Hey, Bolt, why are you? Hey, why aren't they letting me in? Come on, let me in. Hey. Check out Yosup64 Gaming. Check out Yosup64 Gaming. On YouTube. Oh, what? Are you, bro? Really, bro? Okay, bro. Check. I'm gonna do. Check out. Okay, no. Okay, I'm not doing this. Okay, I'm just gonna kill him. I got to. I'm gonna destroy his turret. Hi, dude. How you doing? I just love killing people, so I kind of need to. What? No, no, no!